Hey y'all, welcome to my channel if you are new, and if you're returning, thanks guys, I appreciate y'all. This channel is all about reselling, and this is kind of my take on the Vlogmas style, or Vlogmas. If you don't know what Vlogmas is where you're supposed to vlog every day until Christmas, I believe. I don't know if it's until Christmas or the whole month of December. So I'm participating my take on it. I'm not going to stress myself out about it and do it every day, but if I do, then I do. Hey. I'm just kind of accepting a challenge that Jen, I will link her YouTube channel right here. She challenged a few people or anybody that was watching that was a reseller to do reseller related Vlogmas questionnaire. Get to know me. So keep watching guys so you can get to know me. I will also link all the questions down in the comments below. So if you want to participate, go ahead. But the people that I challenge are, my first one is going to be a special one. I would like for Ash Conway, well, if it's okay with his mother, Emily Conway, to do the questions. Maybe she could help him. Maybe they could do them together. So that's going to be somebody that I challenge. And I'm also going to challenge Matt over at Front Range Flip. He's one of my YouTube friends forever. And so the first question is, what is your favorite holiday scent? I like warm scents. And that is, if you don't know, that's like vanillas and cinnamons, warm smells. So that still goes with the same thing with Christmas scents. I like the cinnamons and the vanillas and the warm apple pies and stuff like that. I'm not too big on fruity smells, and I'm not too big on like tree smells. So yeah, that's... Question number 2 is, what is your favorite holiday beverage? I love eggnog, and that's the only time that I drink it is around the holiday times. So yeah, that would be my answer. I love eggnog. The next question is, what song really gets you in the holiday spirit? And I'm not big on Christmas music either. I never have been, but when I do listen to it, it's more of like contemporary. I do, I know all the Christmas music. I was a big choir buff in school. I really don't like to listen to it. Like, I hate listening to it in stores. But one thing I can say, the older that I do get, I'm noticing that I'm starting to appreciate it more. Like this year, I caught myself actually singing it a few times and wondering, when it was coming on. So I guess within my older years, I am starting to enjoy the things in life a little bit more. The next question is, as a child, did a sibling ever receive a gift that you wished you had gotten? I grew up in the system, and then whenever I was with my last foster family, which was my aunt, we didn't have a lot of money, and there was 5 of us. I mean, I think being a kid, you always want with a kid that didn't grow up with much, you always kind of wondered what it'd be like to have those things. We were lucky to get one outfit a piece for Christmas and a couple items, which I was very thankful for, do not get me wrong. But I always knew that Christmas wasn't about gifts. It's about so much more. So I don't think I maybe be the best to do these. My answers are very vague and straight to the point, cut and dry. I really don't have anything else to say about them, and I feel kind of bad because mine's going to be really, really short, but it is what it is. The next question is, what is your favorite thing about Christmas? My favorite thing about Christmas is I like to give. I like to make people happy. I like to give gifts. And yeah, that's what, and it's, it's not about gifts. It's about giving, about family, about enjoying each other. Do you have any Christmas traditions? Is the next one. No. I'm lame, guys. Not really. My kids always opened presents on New Year's Eve, and sometimes we would open on Christmas Day. So no, not really. Next question is real or fake tree? Neither. I'm not putting up a tree this year. I've always had fake trees though, artificial trees, but my son is in West Virginia. I don't know if everybody knows that, but yeah, my son is in West Virginia, so I mean, yeah. The naughty or nice list. Definitely on the nice list and the naughty list. However, who it depends on who you're talking to, I guess. Who's gonna tell you that? I'm on the nice list. I'm a good girl. I'm always a good girl. Uh, I believe in karma, and I believe that all things, good or bad, will come back full circle. Do you start your Christmas shopping on Black Friday or do you do last minute? That is the next question. I usually do all my Christmas shopping beforehand. The last couple years I've waited till last minute. This year I'm not doing Christmas shopping. I've already decided. Name all the reindeer. Let's see. Rudolph, Dancer, Prancer, Vixen, Trixen, Blitzen, Nixon, Donner, Connor, Bonner, Fawner, Lawner, Monner. Yeah, I believe that does it. When does your family usually put up the Christmas tree and who decorates it? I usually decorate it. Like I said, there's not going to be one up this year, but like normally I'm ready to put Christmas up before Halloween. But I'm ready to take Christmas down Christmas Eve. Like, and they're really lucky they got Christmas beyond, like the Christmas tree beyond Christmas Eve, because every year on Christmas Day, it's coming down. I'm tired of it. I'm ready for it to go. Bah humbug, go. Like, so yeah, I'm ready for it before Halloween. And sometimes I put it up before Halloween, but like I said, I'm ready for it to be gone the day before or the day of Christmas. The next one is peeking at gifts or being surprised. I love to peek. I don't like surprises. I'm a peeker. I've always been a peeker, even growing up. Have you ever went Christmas caroling? Yes. Growing up with my last foster family, we would go to nursing homes a couple times a month, and during the month of December, we would go Christmas caroling down the hallways and sing to the elders, and we gave them, every single one of them, like crochet blankets or something like homemade sweaters, stuff like that. It was a really good time. But we also did Christmas caroling outside of that too. I've been house to house, I've done it in the schooling. Yeah. Christmas caroling. Yeah. Where do you usually spend the holiday season? I usually spend it with my family until I moved here. I've spent it with Patrick the last couple years, and that's what's going on this year. Your favorite Christmas decorations? I absolutely love lights. I love the big blow-up inflatables. I had one in my house a couple weeks ago. It's a big Dora one I thrifted, but then I decided I wasn't decorating for Christmas, and I wasn't putting up a Christmas tree and all that good stuff. So, bah humbug. Like I said, I will link the couple people that I would like to get them to do this. I will link their channels right here. Description box has all the questions if you would like to participate on yourself. So that is my edition of the bah humbug version of this, Jen. Sorry, love ya, mean it, but that's just how it was. Didn't mean for it to turn out like that, but it did. So with that being said, guys, same time, same place, same pretty little face. Bye, y'all.